Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator. First, gather your essential tools like a wrench set, pliers, and a large drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, position your drain pan and open the drain cock to empty the old coolant. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Next, we will disconnect everything attached to the radiator. Start by carefully removing the clamps and hoses, both the upper and lower ones. Then, locate and disconnect the electrical connectors for the cooling fans. You will also need to unbolt the fan shroud assembly. Finally, detach any smaller overflow or auxiliary hoses that are still connected. Taking your time here prevents damage to these components. Now it is time to remove the old radiator. Begin by unbolting the mounting brackets that hold it securely in place. Once loose, carefully lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Take a moment to inspect the mounting area for any debris, corrosion, or damage. Before installing the new one, give it a quick check to ensure it is in perfect condition and ready for installation. Finally, let us install the new radiator and complete the job. Carefully lower the new radiator into its designated mounting position. Reattach all the hoses, the fan assembly, and all electrical connectors. Secure the radiator firmly with its mounting bolts and brackets. Then, refill the cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, typically around 2 gallons, and bleed any air from the system for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.